So as you know, we just stripped the Anglia down to every nut and bolt. So today I'm putting the springs on the struts and all the bearings, and yeah, we'll see how it goes now. It should be easy enough. Right, so, okay, action! Action! Oh no, me. Oh. So, we've rebuilt the struts and they're both on now. Next job on the list is I'm going to fit the hubs. Then we're going to stick wheels on. We'll drop it down like this. Anti-roll bar's under so much tension, you can't really jack it up, so I don't want it to fall off the lift when I jack it up. So I'm going to get it on 4 wheels, drop the lift down and chock this up, so the anti-roll bar will push back into this and we'll locate the bolts back in. So all the bushes have been changed, new bearings, everything's just been changed. So I actually hand painted the struts because they were so pitted. I tried spraying them before and it just looked awful, so they're all hand painted now. It just covers all the pits. So we got new nuts on everything. We got nylocks where they needed, new spring washers. Yeah, it's coming together nicely. So brake pipes going on next after the hubs. And yeah, we'll go into the back now and have a look. So all the brakes have been changed. I've done all the brake pipes in Cupro nickel. I'm going to polish all them up when they're all finished. Yeah, everything's all coming together nicely. So the next thing on the back end, we've got to fix the flexi pipe onto the rear brakes. Yeah, just run everything. We've got the fuel pipe. I've got to make a fuel pipe because the old one was sort of a plasticky nylon type thing. So I'll make one out of copper. I think it was 6mm copper that I have in stock, so I'll make it out of that. Yeah, we're getting there nicely. She looks great. Still a lot of work to do, but we don't know when it'll be finished. Hopefully soon. So yeah, if you like our videos, like and subscribe. Thanks.